Baroness Geraldine Tradat stood to begin to speak and the room went silent. I've known kings and queens, emperors and empresses, tsars and tsarinas, princes and princesses, barons and baronesses, dukes and duchesses, counts and countesses, maharajas and maharanis, sultans and sultanas. Not a backbone or spine among them. Feeble and unmotivated, although some are genially kind or compassionate people unable to muster the gumption or the brains to do anything about it. Are they going to change the world? Not for the better. I've known popes, archbishops, bishops, cardinals, priests, ministers, ayatollahs, and rabbis. They rape and pillage their believers to purchase their golden icons, and they bring death and destruction to the non-believers. Are they going to change the world? Perhaps, but not to the benefit of all. Maybe I needed to meet the Dalai Lama, the Buddha, or the Mahdi. I've known presidents, prime ministers, dictators, chancellors, and premiers. They're all motivated by self-interest, care only about their voters and getting credit for any improvement that may have accidentally happened during their tenure. Are they going to change the world? The only ones who've tried are revered as the worst criminals in history. I've known Nobel laureates, professors, academics, scientists, and even the odd genius. If there isn't a book or article to be published with their name on it, or a grant that provides them wealth for life whether they accomplish anything or not, then they're not interested. Are they going to change the world? No, but hopefully they don't deter any they come in contact with from doing so. I've known CEOs, CFOs, presidents, chairmen of the board, and directors. I hold some of these titles myself, so I should be careful what I say about this group. There are few people in this group who are not beholding to their shareholders and the almighty stock price. They are committed to doing what is right for their share price. There are a few with controlling interest in mega worldwide companies or stashes to rival Aladdin's treasure. Generally, they have egos bigger than their bank balances which eventually evaporate. Some of these life forms may actually make a difference, but none of them have the scope to lead changes required by our societies today. I may belong to one or more of those categories I've described, but I want to be known as someone who helped empower youth to change the world for the better. I want my children to be people who had the opportunity to change the world. I know they are each capable in their very own unique ways. I want the young and the experienced to work together to create a world where human dignity is the right of everyone born into it. A year ago, I met Ian and some of his group of friends. I thought to myself at the time, the future begins now. And with that a huge cheer went up from those of us gathered in the room.